Hey guys, we're going to talk about our Synergy Works Waterless Wash in this video here. So for example, we have another Lamborghini Aventador here. Just came in from a Sunday drive, just got done putting some miles on a nice Sunday day. And a little dirty, not to the point where you want to wash the car completely, but maybe you want to wipe it down with our Waterless Wash and follow up with our Synergy Works detail spray. So just wanted to go over with you on the steps on how to do this properly. That way you can ensure a soil-free finish and get to the results that you want to the safest way possible. So we're just going to use this fender as an example here, which is a little dirty here. You've got a little bit of dust build up, a little bit of dirt on it. Not to the point, like I said, where you have to wash it, so that's why we're going to use our Synergy Works Waterless Wash. So a lot of our products, we do kind of advertise less is more, but with the Waterless Wash, we want you to use enough. That way there's enough lubricant on the fender itself. That way there's no scratching possible. So with this here, we're going to spray it evenly along the fender. That way the fender's spread enough. So the entire fender is covered with the Waterless Wash itself. Then we're going to work it in with our detailing microfiber here, our blue detailing microfiber. So you can prep it as well and then work it all in. Specific example, we're going to do the back fender here. We'll go along to the top vent up here. So we'll do the door while we're at it too. You can see all the dirt is lifting up on top of the microfiber without worrying about it scratching the surface. So again, we're going to spray this door enough to the point where it's spread throughout. Prep the microfiber again, straight back and forth motions, no circles. We don't want to leave any swirls behind. So nice and steady, light pressure, not to the point where you're going to leave anything that you don't want to. So what you want to do before moving on to anything else, you would want to go over the entire car with our Waterless Wash. Top to bottom you want to work, and make sure the car is nice and fresh. Now, the Waterless Wash can leave behind a nice finish, but the proper way to do it is to follow up with our detail spray. So the Waterless Wash is going to clean everything first, leave behind a nice clean finish. And to really get to those nice results that everybody wants to get to when it comes to cleaning a car, you want to follow up with our Synergy Works detail spray. So again, a little less, you don't have to go crazy with spraying it like you did the Waterless Wash. A little couple spurts right there, straight back and forth motions. And now you're going to get to that shine and that gloss, to that fresh surface what you ultimately want. So no dirt coming off on this one. Everything's already clean. So a couple spritz, like I said, less is more with this stuff. And you were good to go. No dirt. So again, Waterless Wash first, follow up with the detail spray. That's going to get you back to normal without having to go through the process of washing the entire car top to bottom and using all those products. So nice and simple on a Sunday drive, and that's it guys, very simple on this one.